Good day, my friends and family. We're about to get started on a Chevy Silverado, 2018 Chevy Silverado. These engines have a common problem that the lifters and the cam goes bad. We're going to start by getting this engine removed. We're going to get the front grille off, this front bumper off. We're going to get the radiator out to give us some room to work. Already got that unclipped. We're going to get this off and out the way. We caught right here on the corner. Lift up, and we're out. Okay, folks, we are moving and grooving. We have our radiator support removed. We have our radiator and condensers removed. That gives us access to the front of the engine. We're going to remove our accessories and our components and start getting things apart. All right, here we are. As I mentioned, we have all our accessories removed. AC compressor, power steering pump. Like I said, it gives us access to our motor mounts. Intake manifold is off. That's going to give us access to the transmission bell house bolts in the back. We're actually going to lift this out, but it's the weekend. We're going to take some time off for the weekend. Come back and follow us next week sometime. No job is too big. No job is too small. Any of your needs, come see us. Okay, folks, if you've been watching this engine repair on this 2018 Chevy Silverado, let me show you where we're at with it. We have the cylinder heads removed. Look how clean the cylinder head is. This shows that the oil was changed on the regular. So why are we having problems with the engine? Let me show you what we have. Okay, if you look down that hole right there, do you see that pit? The pitting that's on that cam is damaged from the hydraulic lifters being bad. See if we get a little better view here. So that looks shiny. That's how it should look. Let me show you the lifters. Again, cam, let me show you the lifters. Now here's our lifters. They should all look like this. Look at this one here. This is the one that was in that cylinder. See, it's all chewed up and flattened. No good. It needs lifters. Let me show you the other problem. Okay, here's the bottom part of the engine. We have our crank and we have our piston bearings and our main bearings. Look at the main bearing cap right here, this first one. Look at that wear. That's an indication that that bearing is worn. It should look shiny like this rod bearing. So we're not going to just replace the cam and the lifters. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to get a brand new engine from the dealership in the box. We will not be rebuilding this. We'll be doing our customer a disservice by attempting to repair this new engine only. Thanks again. Hey folks, what's happening? I know I've been gone a few days, been very busy. I'm gonna give you an update on the Chevy Silverado with the engine replacement. Check this out. Okay, look what we have here. Brand new engine, long block. We just took it out of the box. Comes with new crank. Here's the sweet thing. New coils, 8 new coils. Of course, 8 new spark plugs. Brand new oil pan, oil filter. I believe this thing is already filled with oil. So we're about to start assembling the components on this, the accessories on this. We're actually taking the old engine. We had the oil pan, everything off, reassembled the engine, put it back down in the crate so they can come get the core. Yeah, this thing here really looks good. Of course, all new valves, very nice. We're gonna be happy with this unit here. This should run great.